ZEDZ is a Dutch graffiti writer and visual artist. He is part of the first generation of style writers in the Netherlands and founder of the Dope Style Kings, one of the most respected graffiti crews in the country. In 1992, ZEDZ moved to Amsterdam to study at the Gerrit Rietveld Academy. Shortly after, he went global with his innovative styles that helped pioneer the 3D graffiti movement. Inspired by the Dutch art movement The Style, ZEDZ developed his own visual identity. The colorful, three-dimensional compositions in ZEDZ's work even resulted in what is called graffiti architecture. From there, ZEDZ started creating three-dimensional sculptures, and in 2024, ZEDZ built his gigantic sculpture GUNFINGA inside STRAAT. ZEDZ says the robots facilitate a different approach to letters, a way of keeping graffiti exciting. They become a story that goes beyond traditional graffiti, while they continue to have the letters that make up his graffiti name as a foundation. The 7-meter-high robot is one of the highlights of our STRAAT collection. In conjunction with this enormous artwork, STRAAT and ZEDZ developed a miniature action figure of 15 centimeters to be spread all over the world.